Shopska Salad. A side dish from Bulgaria. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the onion in small pieces. Step 2. Remove the stem and the seeds of the peppers, raw or roasted and peeled. Step 3. Cut them into stripes and then to smaller pieces. Step 4. Chop the hot pepper. Step 5. Cut the cucumber in 4 lengthways and slice the pieces. Step 6. Mix everything, and add salt. Step 7. Form a pile of the mixed products in a salad dish or in portioned salad plates. Step 8. Sprinkle with the vinegar and the vegetable oil. Step 9. Grate the cheese over the salad to form of a snow cap and garnish with the parsley. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.